Welcome to this presentation on artificial intelligence integration in Moodle and its educational outcomes. Today, we'll explore how AI is reshaping Moodle, turning it from a traditional learning management system into a dynamic, intelligent learning ecosystem. This transformation is not just about technology, it's about enhancing teaching, learning, and decision-making at every level of higher education. Whether you're a researcher, faculty member, administrator, Moodle developer, or student, understanding this shift is crucial. Let's begin by examining the foundational elements that make successful AI integration possible in educational settings. The journey to effective AI integration starts with institutional readiness. Universities must ensure robust digital infrastructure, clear AI policies, and effective governance structures. Faculty members need to develop digital competencies to leverage AI tools effectively. Ethical guidelines and strong leadership are also essential, providing a framework for sustainable and responsible AI adoption within Moodle. These foundational elements create an environment where AI can truly enhance educational experiences, ensuring that technology serves the needs of both educators and learners. The heart of AI integration in Moodle are several advanced technologies. Machine learning helps identify learning patterns and predict student performance. Learning analytics transforms educational data into actionable insights. Natural language processing powers intelligent feedback and text analysis, while generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot assist with content creation and personalized support. Intelligent tutoring systems provide ongoing academic help, and predictive analytics highlights students who may need early intervention. Together, these technologies form the backbone of an intelligent Moodle environment. These AI technologies empower Moodle with a range of intelligent features. Adaptive learning tailors educational experiences to individual student needs. AI-driven recommendations suggest relevant learning materials, while automated quiz generation and assessment streamline the evaluation process. AI chatbots provide instant support, and learning analytics dashboards offer instructors evidence-based insights to enhance teaching. Additionally, student risk prediction tools help identify learners who may need extra support, ensuring no one falls behind. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace educators, it enhances their ability to teach. With AI, active learning and collaborative projects become more engaging. Students benefit from self-regulated learning and personalized instruction, receiving continuous feedback that supports their growth. Faculty members gain access to valuable data, enabling evidence-based teaching strategies. This synergy between AI and pedagogy ensures that both teaching and learning are more effective, responsive, and tailored to individual needs. AI integration in Moodle leads to remarkable outcomes for students. Academic performance improves as learning becomes more personalized and engaging. Students retain knowledge more effectively and report higher satisfaction with their educational experiences. Additionally, they develop essential digital skills that are increasingly important in today's world. These benefits collectively contribute to a more successful and fulfilling learning journey. Faculty members also experience significant advantages from AI-enhanced Moodle. Routine administrative tasks are reduced, allowing educators to focus more on teaching and mentoring. With faster feedback and better decision-making tools, instructors can adapt their methods to meet student needs more effectively. This not only improves teaching quality, but also enhances job satisfaction for faculty members. Institutions benefit from AI integration through improved student retention rates and enhanced learning quality. Data-driven management enables more effective resource allocation and strategic planning. As a result, institutional effectiveness increases, supporting the overall mission of higher education. These outcomes demonstrate the far-reaching impact of AI on educational organizations. Responsible AI use in Moodle is grounded in ethical governance. Every application must prioritize data privacy, transparency, and fairness. Explainable AI ensures that decisions are understandable, while algorithmic fairness and accessibility promote equity. Academic integrity and human oversight are essential, ensuring that AI supports rather than replaces professional judgment. These principles safeguard the interests of all stakeholders in the educational ecosystem. In summary, artificial intelligence is transforming Moodle into a powerful, intelligent educational ecosystem. By supporting personalized learning, evidence-based teaching, and institutional excellence, AI has the potential to elevate educational quality and learner success. When combined with responsible governance and sound pedagogy, these advancements pave the way for the future of higher education. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI integration in Moodle. Thank you for watching this presentation on artificial intelligence integration in Moodle. We hope this conceptual framework has provided valuable insights into how AI can transform higher education. Stay inspired as you explore new ways to enhance learning and teaching with technology. Let's take a closer look at the modern educational technology landscape. Today's classrooms are increasingly digital, with cloud-based platforms, real-time collaboration tools, and interactive content. AI integration in Moodle is part of this broader movement, helping institutions stay at the forefront of innovation and preparing students for a technology-driven world. Strong leadership is essential for successful AI adoption. University administrators play a key role in setting strategic priorities, allocating resources, and fostering a culture of innovation. Their support ensures that faculty and students have the tools and guidance needed to make the most of AI in Moodle. Faculty members are at the heart of AI integration. Developing digital and AI competencies enables educators to design engaging courses, use data effectively, and provide personalized support. Ongoing professional development ensures that faculty stay current with the latest AI tools and best practices. Robust digital infrastructure is the backbone of AI integration. Reliable internet, secure cloud storage, and scalable platforms ensure that Moodle can support advanced AI functionalities. Institutions must invest in technology upgrades and maintenance to keep pace with evolving educational needs. Effective data governance is critical for responsible AI use. Institutions must establish clear policies for data collection, storage, and sharing. Transparent processes and regular audits help maintain trust and ensure compliance with legal and ethical standards. Ethical guidelines provide the foundation for AI adoption in education. These guidelines address issues such as privacy, fairness, and transparency. By adhering to ethical standards, institutions ensure that AI serves the best interests of all stakeholders. Machine learning is a core AI technology in Moodle. It analyzes student data to identify learning patterns, predict outcomes, and personalize recommendations. This allows educators to intervene early and provide targeted support, improving student success rates. Learning analytics transforms raw educational data into actionable insights. By tracking student engagement, progress, and performance, instructors can make informed decisions to enhance teaching and learning. Analytics dashboards provide a clear overview of class trends and individual needs. Natural language processing, NLP, enables Moodle to understand and analyze text. This technology powers intelligent feedback, automated grading, and content analysis. NLP helps create a more interactive and responsive learning environment for both students and instructors. Generative AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot support content creation and personalized assistance in Moodle. These tools help generate quizzes, answer student questions, and provide instant support, making learning more engaging and accessible. Intelligent tutoring systems offer continuous academic support to students. These systems adapt to individual learning needs, providing guidance, feedback, and resources tailored to each learner. This personalized approach helps students stay motivated and achieve their goals. Predictive Analytics in Moodle identifies students who may require early intervention. By analyzing data trends, these tools help educators proactively address challenges, ensuring that all students have the opportunity to succeed. Adaptive learning personalizes the educational experience for each student. AI analyzes learning styles, progress, and preferences to deliver customized content and activities. This approach maximizes engagement and helps students learn at their own pace. AI-driven recommendations suggest learning materials and resources tailored to each student's needs. By analyzing performance and interests, Moodle ensures that every learner receives the most relevant and effective support. AI tools assist educators in designing courses that are engaging and effective. By analyzing best practices and student feedback, AI helps create learning paths, assessments, and activities that align with educational goals. Automated assessment tools streamline grading and provide instant feedback to students. This not only saves time for instructors, but also helps learners understand their strengths and areas for improvement right away. AI chatbots in Moodle provide students with instant answers to common questions and support requests. Available 24/7, these chatbots enhance the learning experience by offering timely assistance and reducing the workload on faculty and support staff. The Learning Analytics dashboard provides instructors with a comprehensive view of student engagement, progress, and outcomes. These insights enable evidence-based teaching and help educators make informed decisions to improve learning. Student risk prediction tools use AI to identify learners who may be at risk of falling behind. By alerting instructors early, these tools enable timely interventions that can make a significant difference in student outcomes. AI-powered tools can automatically generate quizzes based on course content and learning objectives. This feature saves time for instructors and ensures that assessments are aligned with what students need to learn. AI supports active learning by enabling interactive activities and real-time feedback. Students engage more deeply with the material, participate in discussions, and apply their knowledge in practical ways. Collaborative learning is enhanced by AI tools that facilitate group work, peer feedback, and shared projects. These features help students develop teamwork skills and learn from one another in a supportive environment. AI empowers students to take control of their learning through self-regulation tools. These tools help learners set goals, track progress, and reflect on their achievements, fostering independence and motivation. Formative assessment tools powered by AI provide ongoing feedback to students, helping them identify strengths and areas for improvement. This continuous feedback loop supports learning and encourages growth. Personalized learning is at the core of AI integration in Moodle. By adapting content and activities to individual needs, AI ensures that every student receives the support and challenges necessary for success. AI provides faculty with data-driven insights that inform teaching strategies. By understanding what works best for their students, educators can continuously refine their methods and improve learning outcomes. With AI-powered personalization and support, students achieve higher academic performance. Tailored instruction and timely interventions help learners overcome challenges and reach their full potential. AI-driven features make learning more engaging and interactive. Students participate actively in their education, leading to deeper understanding and greater satisfaction with their learning experiences. Personalized and adaptive learning strategies supported by AI help students retain knowledge more effectively. By revisiting concepts and practicing skills, learners build a strong foundation for future success. Using AI-powered tools in Moodle helps students develop essential digital skills. These competencies are vital for academic success and future careers in an increasingly digital world. AI automates routine administrative tasks, freeing up faculty time for teaching and mentoring. This efficiency allows educators to focus on what matters most, supporting student learning and development. Institutions use AI-generated data to inform management decisions. From resource allocation to strategic planning, data-driven approaches enhance institutional effectiveness and support continuous improvement. Responsible AI use is essential for building trust and ensuring positive outcomes. By prioritizing privacy, transparency, fairness, and human oversight, institutions create an environment where AI supports rather than replaces educational professionals. Integration of AI in Moodle signals a new era for higher education. As technology continues to evolve, institutions, faculty, and students must adapt and innovate. By embracing AI responsibly, the future of education will be more personalized, effective, and inclusive for all.